Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: the Intuit e-commerce service scam. In this video, we'll delve into what Intuit e-commerce is, how it functions, and most importantly, how it unfortunately became a service scam. But fear not, because we'll also share some valuable tips on how you can protect yourself from falling victim to such scams. So, before we start with this video, kindly hit like, share, and subscribe first. Now, let's dive right in. Intuit E-commerce, also known as QuickBooks Commerce, is a well-known and reputable platform that helps businesses manage their online sales and inventory. It provides small businesses with tools and features to streamline their e-commerce operations, such as tracking expenses, customizing invoices, and running reports for inventory management, order tracking, and online store integration. While Intuit e-commerce has been widely recognized for its legitimate services, unfortunately, scammers have found ways to use the platform for their exploitation. They create fake websites or impersonate Intuit e-commerce support agents to trick unsuspecting individuals into sharing sensitive information or making fraudulent payments, asking for $349.99 in sent voices via emails. According to reports and user complaints, scammers often use tactics like spam, spoof, or hoax emails, fake customer support numbers, and deceptive ads to target potential victims. They may claim that there's an issue with their Intuit e-commerce account, even on your computer, and or offer exclusive discounts to lure you into providing personal information and files or making unauthorized payments, and even steal all needed information by injecting malware into your system. So how can you protect yourself from falling victim to the Intuit e-commerce service scam? Let's explore some important steps recommended by experts. First and foremost, always be cautious when sharing personal or financial information online. Double-check the website's URL to ensure it's legitimate and secure. Scammers often create websites with similar domain names to fool unsuspecting users. Secondly, remember that Intuit e-commerce will never ask you for sensitive information via email or phone. If you receive an email or call claiming to be from Intuit e-commerce asking for personal details or payment information, it's most likely a scam. Hang up the phone or delete the email immediately. It's also crucial to keep your devices protected with up-to-date antivirus software and firewalls. Regularly update your operating system and applications to patch any security vulnerabilities that scammers may exploit. Additionally, take some time to educate yourself about common scam tactics. Stay informed about the latest scams and warnings issued by organizations like the FTC or your local consumer protection agency. Being aware of these scams can help you recognize potential threats. Finally, trust your instincts. If something feels off or too good to be true, it probably is. Take a step back, do some research, and verify the information before taking any action. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. So there you have it. The Intuit e-commerce service scam is an unfortunate reality. But by following these tips and staying vigilant, you can protect yourself from falling victim to such fraudulent activities. Remember, your security and peace of mind should always come first. Stay informed, stay cautious, and together we can combat scams and keep our online experiences safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and colleagues. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and stay scam free.